Good afternoon to all land bankers, especially to our beloved manager, which is Ma'am Menchi Mencias. I would like to express my gratitude and I'm so thankful and great na nakilala ko po kayo. Ano po ma'am, isa sa mga privilege na nakilala ko po kayo at naging part po kayo ng buhay ko. Sa kaunting panahon na kayo po ay aking nakasama, ay mas nakilala ko po kayo kung sino po talaga kayo. Ano po ma'am, naway patuloy po kayo maging mapagmahal, mapagbigay. Naway patuloy din po kayong gabayan ni Lord. Ano po ma'am, lagi po kayong nasa puso't isipan ko at hindi po kayo mawawala. Naway isang araw ay makasama ko po kayo sa trabaho po. Ano ma'am? Tapos kami po ay nagpapasalamat dahil binigyan niyo po ng isang opportunity na ang mga perpetual student ay makapag-OJT po sa Land Bank. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala at pagmamahal, ma'am. Maraming salamat. Ayun lamang po.
Hi, Ma'am Menchi. On behalf of LGU Bayambang, I want to express our sincere gratitude for your exceptional service and support. Your commitment to excellence has greatly contributed to the success of our projects and financial operations. I wish you all the best in your new assignment at Lingayen, Pangasinan. I have no doubt that you will continue to excel and make a positive impact there as well. Thank you once again for everything. Mabuhay ka, Ma'am Menchi. God bless you more.
Ma'am Menchi, I would like to describe you as a person using the letter I in your name, Menchi. Yes, ma'am, you are inspiring Menchi. Inspiring to me is a positive or creative feelings. You are an inspiring bank manager, boss, kaibigan, amiga. You are one of the most inspiring person I've ever met. Thank you for making VMUF, VMMC a valued client of Land Bank. Land Bank is a very supportive partner of Virgen Milagrosa University Foundation and Virgen Milagrosa Medical Center. Maka Misa de Gallo, Maka Foundation Anniversary, Maka Outreach Program. Ramdam namin na special po kami under your leadership. Ma'am, masaya ako kasi na-promote po kayo. Pero may halong lungkot kasi lumayo po kayo sa San Carlos. Hindi na tayo madalas magkita at baka ito na rin po yung huli nating pagkikita personal kasi po next year 2025 magre-retire na rin po ako, Ma'am Menchi, at uuwi na po sa Cagayan. Salamat, ma'am, kasi hindi mo ipinaramdam na manager ka, kundi ikaw yung tao na madaling ma-approach at ready na o kaya meron yung madaling ma-approach at saka ready na tumulong. You have always that helping hands. And lastly, Ma'am Menchi, God loves you dearly. Love you.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am Menchi, may message ako, oh. Nag-prepare ako. Babasahin ko na lang. I wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for being a good manager and a good friend. Your generosity and thoughtfulness have truly made a difference in my life, and I'm deeply appreciative. Your willingness to go above and beyond to help me during my difficult time, like opening of accounts, depositing, withdrawals, and other bank related, means more to me than words can express. Please know that I will always remember your kindness and generosity. I hope to one day I have the opportunity to share it forward and make a difference in someone else's life, just as you have done for me. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart and for everything you have done for me and to my family. Your kindness has truly touched my life in a meaningful way. Thank you, Ma'am Menchi.